In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing a clear picture of your company's financial health, the balance sheet is the tool to use. It provides a snapshot of your business's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time, helping you make informed financial decisions. So, let's dive right into the process of generating this crucial report in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. There, you'll find various options that help you manage your business's finances. You're going to click on Reports located on this panel. This will open up a new section dedicated to the different types of reports you can generate for your business. Once you're in the Reports area, look for the Standard Reports tab. Standard reports include a variety of common report formats used by many businesses, and they are designed to help you quickly access the information you need. So, go ahead and click on this tab. This will take you to a list of standard financial reports available within QuickBooks Online. Now, in the Standard Reports section, there's a search bar that simplifies your task by allowing you to find particular reports quickly. In the search bar, type Balance Sheet and hit Enter. You'll see the Balance Sheet option appear in the search results. Click on it to proceed. QuickBooks will now generate the balance sheet report for you. Congratulations! You've got a snapshot of your current financial situation in front of you. It's as simple as that. QuickBooks has run the report, displaying all the key financial details you need. This report will naturally show your assets, liabilities, and equity, reflecting your business's financial position at that moment. Now, while you could leave it at that, QuickBooks Online gives you even more power by allowing you to customize the report. Look up to the toolbar situated above the report. Here, you have a variety of tools that allow you to tailor the balance sheet to your needs. You can adjust the date range to narrow or broaden the period you're reporting on, ensuring the data matches your specific requirements. Additionally, you can change the level of detail displayed, whether you want a high-level overview or a more detailed report. Customization is a powerful feature, enabling the report to align with your particular business needs or preparations for presentations and audits. And there you have it. From start to finish, that's how you effortlessly create and run a balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or just want to keep tabs on your business's financial health, QuickBooks makes it an intuitive process. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel empowered to handle your financial reporting with confidence.